We are in serious need of a freaking glow up. Look at these eyebrows. Like, these are so bad. And I had like 0 sleep last night, so I'm looking extra rough. So we are gonna go do a full glow up today. I'm talking eyebrows, I'm talking eyelash extensions, nails, except everything is gonna be affordable because in this capitalist economy, we are going to refuse to spend hundreds of dollars, close to thousands actually. So I'm gonna do everything at home, but first we need to go to Target because we need to grab teeth whitening strips. I haven't done that in years, and I used to keep up with it all the time. Pre-COVID, I used to keep up with my entire self maintenance routine. My eyebrows were always done. I had eyelash extensions. I got my hair done all the time. My nails were done all the time. But since COVID happened, I just quit doing everything, and my confidence this year has been at like an all-time low. I've never felt this bad about myself, so I'm gonna work on that. And the first thing I'm gonna do is what I used to do, all of the outside maintenance. So let's head to Target. Should I get the Target ones that are 20 strips for 12 bucks? Or the Crest one that is 30 bucks for 24 strips? Okay, I ended up getting 2 more things because it's Target. We always get more than we need. I got the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines, and I got the putty applicator because I really like how small the brushes. I have a very small face, so most brushes are too big, so I'm assuming this could be a wonderful combo. Now let's go take care of these eyebrows. My eyebrows are gonna be super red, but that's okay. These are my eyebrows. Instantly, I'm a new person. Who am I? She did a pretty good job. I have had somebody else who killed it, like with my eyebrows, and that's why I have like such high expectations. But every time I come, she's not here. She was here on a weekday, on a Tuesday around 11 o'clock, which I'm working. So I'd have to find a way to make it here on a Tuesday. Maybe my lunch break. I'm gonna try that next time. But she did a good job. I'm not hating. They're wonderful. Next. Let's get started with the hair. I'm gonna be curling my hair because I am a curly hair gal. I think straight hair is a little boring, and honestly it takes longer to straighten your hair than curl it. Also, my friend told me that straightening your hair is more damaging than curling it, so I believe her. She's a hairstylist. So I'm gonna be curling it with this curling wand from Duval. They were kind enough to reach out to me and gift this to me. I've used it a few times and it does a really good job at giving me volume and just like really beautiful curls. And they were also kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, so I'll leave it here on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I curl it. I'm just gonna do a straight down the middle parting. I'm gonna be using the Kenra blow dry spray heat protectant. The curling one also comes with this little gloves. I am going to part the top half of my head, split one piece, and you want to make sure the curling is facing down. Wrap it around. So this is facing out. Just hold it for like 20 seconds and then let it drop and just throw it in the back. And then your next piece should be going in the opposite direction. We're gonna wrap forward because the other one we wrapped back. You are just gonna do the same thing over and over and over and over. Wrap forward, wrap back, wrap forward, wrap back, and always make sure that the pieces along the front are wrapped back, so it gives you like that outward volume right there. I'm gonna do that to the rest of my head. Like, I'm gonna set it with some dial setting hairspray from Eva NYC. I love this hairspray. It doesn't leave the white, and then you can just brush it out and there's no white stuff anywhere. It keeps your hair in place. And then we're gonna hit it with the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. I don't really know how to use the volume sprays. I'm trying to learn. It says to part your hair. and spray, but I've done this before and I don't like it. I feel like I missed the back of my head. And then I saw a TikTok of this hairstylist dude to use a wide tooth brush for when you're brushing out your curls. I don't remember why. I think he said it like separates them. I don't know, looks good. I'm not very good with hair, but I'm learning. I need to learn how to like tame these hairs. We're done with the hair. We're moving on to eyelashes. Now this is the part that I'm most excited about because eyelashes make the biggest difference. These are Wink Link Mink lashes. They are foaming. This little pack of 5 right here was 30 bucks, I want to say. I know they were super affordable along with the glue. I've already tried the glue with the different lashes, but I took the lashes off because I didn't like how they look. I haven't tried the style, so I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it works with my eye shape. I also bought this little guy from Amazon, and it's just the tweezers to pinch them together to really get them to stick with the glue. They said it's supposed to last up to a week, which is plenty of time for me. Welcome to my zoomed in face. I don't think I've ever been this zoomed in before. So first you're supposed to like curl your lashes. Curl. I found this brand on TikTok, by the way. Ow. I'm just gonna take the glue. We're just gonna put it on the top of the lash. I put a lot. So I guess the secret is to layer them over each other. I'm just trying to do this fast because my camera's dying. And last piece, the inner corner. That is what it looks like on. Then use this to like go in between and just pinch them together. But you have to wait until it dries. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye right here. They look like 2 different sets of eyelashes. Do you guys see that?
What is going on here?
These look more wispy, like up, and then these look more like how I want them to look. I think what it is that this eye might be longer than this one, so I need more lashes here. Do you see how there's like a missing spot? So I'm gonna add some of these Kiss extension lashes just at the front. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. So far, like, I like them. I think I just need more practice with them over time. Like, I have a whole pack. I'm gonna try to use the whole thing next time. And I'm just gonna try to, like, overlap them more and see if maybe that will make them look like the style that I'm trying to go for, you know what I mean? But, I mean, they look good. I'm gonna do my makeup really, really fast. I'll leave my makeup tutorial up here. My foundation is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. However, I've used this one in the past. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, and I get tons of compliments with this one. I'm gonna try to use it again. It also has SPF 25. This is $50, and this one was like 12 bucks. So I'm gonna use this one just to finish it up, but I'm switching over to this one, and then soon I'll have an updated makeup routine. But for now, click up there. I can't believe that just happened. Anyways, I totally forgot. I need to do my whitening strips. COVID turned me into a less high maintenance girl, which is fine, but I also miss the way that all this stuff like makes me feel. Do you know what I mean? I used to do this all the time. I'm gonna put this in while I finish this up. To show you guys my favorite blush of all time. It is the Wet n Wild Nude Society. One tap. It has a lot of fallout, but it's okay. And then look at this. Tell me that's not the cutest blush of all time. Also in the sun, shimmers. $3, you're welcome. I'm back with the wider smile. We are going to be doing nails next. I am very bad at keeping up with a nail routine myself, but you know what? In order to boost my confidence, because it is literally
the lowest it's ever been,
I am going to keep up with my nails. I want to invest in like the Gel X type of nails and really like practice with that to get it down, because honestly, I never want to go to a salon. It is such a hassle to me, at least. I don't like having to go to appointments. I don't like having to go for 2 hours. I don't like having to go every 2 weeks. I just don't like it, but I do like having my nails done. These are press-on nails that I have found have worked really well. I wanted to show you this first brand, Static Nails, is really, really good. They last up to 2 weeks, but there is like secrets to like making it last. The shape is a little funky, so you can like shape them yourself to make them look better. I'm not going to be doing these because these are like a more fall color. I am going to be using these ones. These are from Glamnetics, if you guys have heard of that. The magnetic lashes, I actually haven't tried those, but they also have nails and I loved them. I used the white ones last time. They literally are so hard to take off. It's a good and a bad thing, right? I'm gonna be doing these ones right here. I'm worried about this part because the glue might show, so we'll see how that ends up. But first we need to fix our crusty, dusty nails. So this is what my nails look like. They are really bad. So just go ahead and chop up all your nails. Once your nails have been cut, you want to take the file that it comes with, or any file if you have a filing drill or whatever, and you just want to just file off the top of your nail. This is going to take away the oils that break down the glue, and it's going to help your nails last very long. So just do that to all your nails. After you do that, you want to take either a nail dehydrator or acetone. This is basically acetone. It's just in a little pack from a different brand I tried out. I tried out this brand, Finger Suit. I don't recommend. Wipe your nail dust off. And now they're ready for gluing. This also comes with like an alcohol pad. The glue works very well. Now I'm going to measure my fingers and glue them on. I like to put the glue on the nail. I just put a tiny little drop like that and then press it on, and you want to press and push into the cuticle and then just press and hold for like 30 seconds plus, and there you go, you got your nail. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. So this is how the nails turned out. So cute. There is like a learning curve to them. You'll probably get it done within the second time that you put them on. I love them. They last me up to 2 weeks. Let's get our clothes. I'm wearing these. Alright guys, next up, I have my outfit on. Is jewelry. Bracelets are Amazon. This ring specifically is from Amazon as well, but the other rings are from H&M, just those cheap packs. I'm gonna put my hoops because the hoops make you look instantly dressed up. These are from one of my favorite influencers jewelry brand. Alright, let me show you my outfit. It's these flowy zebra-ish pants. They're super cute, super flowy. I love them. And then this top here is from Laura's Boutique. I got it like 7 years ago, so I don't know if they still have it. Fucking great quality. Look how great it's held up. The last step to our glow up is a self tan. I used to use the Loving Tan self tanner, but I have now found a new love. It is the Jergens Natural Glow Gradual Tanning Lotion. I love this stuff. I get the fair to medium skin tones, and you can like layer it. I already have on a layer, so I can just put on another layer. It smells okay. The smell's not that great, but the product is for $12. Come on guys, $12 versus the freaking Loving Tan one, that one's $50. This will gradually give you a little glow, and that's what I really love about it. And that is it. Now that I look like $1,000,000, I'm definitely feeling my confidence peak up a little bit, and we still have to work on the inner self. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below in the description, and I'll leave my makeup tutorial of this makeup linked above and at the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye!